Do you ever feel like your life is stuck and you don't know where to begin? These 10 powerful principles will reshape your mind, refocus your energy, and rebuild your future, one step at a time. Let's begin. 1. Positive attitude. Visualize your mind like a garden, where every single thought acts as a seed waiting to grow. Every morning, you hold the choice to decide what kind of garden you wish to nurture. A positive mindset is like sunlight. It helps those seeds grow, turning even a tiny spark of hope into a thriving flower full of potential. When you start your day with a positive spirit, the problems you face become hidden opportunities, and failures evolve into valuable lessons that help you grow. Every situation, whether joyful or challenging, adds layers of meaning to your life's masterpiece. Practicing positivity every day not only sharpens your view of life, but also attracts new chances and meaningful relationships. Keep the mindset that every second is a new shot at progress, and allow your good energy to flow into all parts of your life. Stay dedicated to nurturing this mindset daily and observe how your inner world blossoms limitlessly. 2. Effective communication. Communication is the link that brings minds and hearts together. Make it a goal each day to improve both how you speak and how you listen. See every conversation as a chance to share ideas that can spark creativity and understanding. Speaking with honesty, clarity, and compassion creates a space where trust and teamwork can thrive. Communicate your ideas clearly, but remain open to learning from others too. Picture your words as seeds. If shared thoughtfully, they can grow into relationships that support your growth and open new doors. Engage deeply in conversations and listen sincerely to what others are really saying. Express your ideas with care and confidence, and aim to understand rather than just reply. Each small improvement in how you connect with others lays the groundwork for deep, lasting relationships and personal transformation. 3. Self-discipline. Self-discipline is the solid base that turns hopes into accomplishments. Think of it like a muscle. It grows with each consistent, small effort. Choose daily habits that slowly but surely lead you toward your dreams. Whether it's waking earlier, finishing difficult tasks, or learning a new skill, these small, steady actions turn short-term motivation into lasting power that beats distraction. True discipline isn't about being hard on yourself. It's about setting kind but steady limits that lead to greatness. Imagine every disciplined action as one more brick laid in the strong path of your future. Even if you stumble, know that staying consistent builds progress over time. Every focused moment strengthens your growth. Follow the path of self-discipline with confidence, knowing every little win grows your strength and fuels your passion to succeed. 4. Overcoming limiting beliefs. Your thoughts form a wide mental landscape, and the beliefs you carry can either build bridges or create walls between you and your full potential. Make it a habit to challenge the thoughts that whisper, "I can't," or "I'm not enough." Visualize those beliefs as solid walls that block the warm light of possibility. By breaking those walls, you clear a path for discovery and bold thinking. Trade in doubt for empowering beliefs that remind you of your strength and endless ability to grow. When you take charge of the way you speak to yourself, you turn barriers into stairs that lead to a brighter future. Every time you dare to try something new or step beyond your fears, you weaken self-doubt. Let vulnerability show your inner strength, and treat every day as a chance to become braver. As you shed your doubts, you unlock doors that once seemed closed and begin an endless journey of progress. 5. Time management. Time is your most valuable asset, a steady river full of opportunity. Each day, take charge by setting clear goals that match what you want long-term. Imagine each moment as a single drop adding to your ocean of success. Organize your hours with purpose, like a painter choosing each color with intention. Every task, big or small, helps shape the full picture of your life. Make space for planning, focus on your priorities, and clear out time-wasting distractions. Break large projects into smaller steps to keep momentum and enjoy each mini success along the way. Build routines that give your day shape, but leave room for creativity too. Each wise choice in how you use your time builds your path to both success and satisfaction. Learning to manage time well means making every moment count, turning your potential into reality. 6. Continuous learning. In today's fast-changing world, the ability to keep learning is what keeps you relevant and energized. Every single day offers a new chance to grow, whether by reading, joining a course, or having deep conversations. See your brain as a living library, growing more powerful with every new idea. Let curiosity be your compass and welcome every lesson, big or small, as a step toward wisdom. By making daily learning a habit, you sharpen your talents and grow more adaptable. Treat every challenge as a teacher and every failure as a hidden lesson. Build learning into your daily routine so it becomes second nature. You'll find that setbacks turn into insights and dreams begin to feel reachable. This lifelong learning attitude keeps you growing, flexible, and ready for any opportunity that comes your way. 7. Financial wisdom. Being financially wise is less about income and more about how you handle what you already have. Use each day to make smart choices that lead to long-term financial health. See your money like a garden. It grows when you give it steady care. Saving, budgeting, and investing are your gardening tools. By watching your spending and planning your financial future, you build a system that supports wealth, not just short-term comfort. Even small actions like avoiding impulsive buys or setting aside savings lay the groundwork for a solid financial life. Learn about money, look for wise investment chances, and take lessons from both good and bad money decisions. Each smart choice makes your future safer and brings you closer to lasting success. Build financial habits daily and remember, discipline with money helps you live freely and with balance. 8. Personal development. Personal growth is an endless path of becoming the best version of who you are. Each day, carve out time to look inward, grow emotionally, and sharpen your skills. Picture life as a story unfolding, with each new page written by the lessons you learn and the struggles you conquer. Welcome each experience as a moment to grow, whether it's gaining a skill or understanding your emotions better. Set meaningful goals that push you forward and celebrate progress along the way. Surround yourself with people and mentors who lift you higher. By working on yourself daily, you shift your habits, grow stronger, and shape your character. Each small, focused effort gets you closer to your dreams and adds to your sense of purpose. Personal development means designing your own future, brick by brick. 9. Purpose and goal setting. Purpose is the shining light that shows you the way to greatness. Pause every day to reflect on what truly fuels your passion, then set goals that align with that drive. Visualize your life as an artwork being painted, each goal a strong brushstroke adding meaning. This daily act of thinking about your goals turns vague hopes into clear plans, feeding the energy you need to keep going. Break big dreams into smaller, doable steps so you can stay on track and stay motivated. Every move you make in line with your purpose builds speed and deepens your commitment. Embrace the focus that comes with clear goals and take each day to review, adjust, and celebrate how far you've come. Your purpose powers every success and keeps your journey alive with direction and joy. 10. Gratitude and resilience. Gratitude and resilience are a powerful pair, helping you face life with strength and grace. Each day, take time to recognize your blessings, no matter how big or small. Think of gratitude as gentle rain feeding your soul, and resilience as the strong tree that stays upright during life's storms. When you give thanks for all life brings, even hardships, you grow tougher inside. Each thankful moment gives you the strength to recover from setbacks, turning hard times into lessons and struggles into fuel for growth. This regular habit of being thankful builds emotional strength, helping you face the unknown with confidence. By focusing on the good around you, you lift not just your own mood, but also inspire others. See gratitude and resilience as your everyday tools for a well-balanced, powerful, and purpose-filled life.